Antarctica is the southernmost continent on Earth. It is the fifth largest continent, which is twice the size of Australia. Antarctica, on average, is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, and has the highest average elevation of all the continents. I know that seems boring and you may feel there is nothing in Antarctica except ice. If you feel like that, you may be on wrong assumption. There are so many interesting things in Antarctica. By the end of this video you will change your opinion on this icy continent. In this video we are going to see top 5 scary things in Antarctica. Number 5. Jade green icebergs. All the icebergs we actually see are mostly white or blue. But in Antarctica we see some icebergs in green color. Those green icebergs present in Antarctic region are called as jade green icebergs. A group of explorers discovered these emerald-colored icebergs in 1988. They found that these icebergs are not made with regular ice like other icebergs. These icebergs are formed with marine ice. The color of this ice is formed because of the iron oxide reaction with marine water. Presence of iron is essential for marine life. The presence of jade green icebergs indicate better environment. Number 4. Eerie Sounds. Antarctic region is covered with ice and the most of the sounds you hear in Antarctica are made by the wildlife. Along with wildlife sounds we can also hear the sounds of the boats. The ice in the Antarctic also produces sound, you heard it correct. The ice in the Antarctic can talk to you if you listen to it. Does that sound scary? The sound that is produced by the ice is called eerie sounds. If we closely examine with the eerie sound we can estimate the lifetime of the iceberg. Number 3. Blood falls. Waterfalls are beautiful except when you see a blood-colored waterfall. I know that sound really scary. Let us know why it looked like blood. A group of explorers in 1911 found that red water coming from deep inside the iceberg as waterfalls in Antarctica. They named them as blood falls due to the color of waterfalls. They assumed the blood-colored water is because of the red algae present deep inside the ice. However, years later they found that it was due to the oxidized iron and marine water. I know now it does not feel as scary because we know why it is happening. Number 2. UFO sightings. There are many UFO sightings that have been seen all over the world. But no wonder the most common place you will find the sightings of the UFO are Antarctica. There are a lot of conspiracy theories about the UFO sightings in Antarctica. One of the most recent claim of UFO comes from alien hunters who says they saw UFO landings in 2018. They even shared pictures that supports their theory. The photos went viral over the internet. But the experts disagree with their claim. However, if their theory is right, then we had found a new species on Earth. Does that sound crazy and scary? Number 1. Mummified penguins. Top of my listing is something very interesting and scary. Lot of penguins in the Antarctica turned down into fossils. This is not because of any disease. Studies have shown that due to climatic changes occurred before thousands of years. Due to heavy snowfall they all died and turned into mummies in Antarctica. As you all can see, these are some fossils of the mummified penguins. Their bodies are well preserved. This is what happens when you put something in ice. Let's hope something like this does not happen again. Because of the global warming that was causing in these days. The icebergs in Antarctica are melting, which is resulting in drastic change in the climate of Antarctica and Earth's environment. Let us know the danger and act accordingly as soon as possible to protect the ecosystem.